Hi, my name is Jesse Edwards and I'm the Director of the City of Worcester Youth Opportunities Office. My first job was at the age of 16 delivering newspapers in Lowell, Massachusetts. What you're about to see are video clips of local business and community leaders explaining to you what their first job was and offering you advice at building your future.
I was a supermarket grocery bag girl, and I also went in the parking lot and I collected all the supermarket carriages and brought them into the store at the end of the day. I gained a lot of valuable experience at that job that still resonates with me today.
And so my first job was as a grocery clerk. Well, it may sound like a somewhat mundane job, you know, stocking the shelves and the like. I actually had the opportunity to deliver food. Prior to having my license, I would walk Beacon Hill with boxes of food and deliver them to homes on Beacon Hill.
I worked as a laborer for Armquist Flowerland when I was 14. What I did was work in the fields, in the greenhouses, and pretty much anything that needed to be done. Worked the land, watered the plants, did some planting.
As a young lady in high school, was asked to work for the superintendent of the Brooklyn district in New York City in the office. So it was a school job. So I always felt that I was on my toes. But that really helped me in future jobs in terms of professionalism, how to talk to adults, how to do the work, you know, with pride and make sure that it was done well.
And I was able to hold a job working as a researcher with the National Institutes of Health. They were interested in studying the geriatric or the elderly population. This particular job required me to go door to door and meet people and ask right off the bat, hi, I'd introduce myself. At the time I was Melinda Jones, and I'm conducting research with the National Institutes of Health, and I want to know if there's anyone of a certain age range in this household. And if so, would you be interested in sitting down and talking with me for a few minutes?
I was in high school, and my first step into the work world was at the brand new McDonald's right across the street from the high school. So I went to work there right after school, and I was proud of that job. I had the uniform, and it was my first foray into customer service, understanding exchanging money, the food industry. And it was a really busy place, so it was a great stepping stone.
For more information on opportunities for youth in the City of Worcester, please contact the City of Worcester Youth Opportunities Office at 508-799-1410.